companies, it could be FMCG companies. That I think could be an interesting pack to reckon with going forward. First rates now, and it is a good start for the breadth. Not such a perfect start, or I would say a shallow start, so to speak, at least when it comes to some of the large cap stocks. So nothing meaningful is actually popping up on my screen in terms of a newsmaker. You want to look at, let's say, some of the commodity consumers, largely because of crude, so oil derivatives, paint companies, airlines. That's where I think the action is going to shift naturally. Then let's look at the three horsemen, if I may use the word, of momentum indicators. Number one would be what we have in terms of Suzlon, second is Yes Bank, and the third one, to some extent, I would say Vodafone. Where are these three stocks moving? Not bad, which means that the traders are excited this morning. All these stocks are starting with are above green, despite are above red for the index.
Yeah, bunch of other newsmakers as well. Bharti, after that Goldman Sachs upgrade, look at the target price uptake. Straight away from 900 to now 1700, 1548 already on Bharti Airtel. KEC International, the company has won a new TND order, or orders I should say, multiple of those, in excess of 1400 crore rupees. So that's the other stock in focus. 4.25% gap up is what you're seeing this morning. We were just flagging off Aavas Financiers, and Goldman Sachs has upgraded it to a buy from the earlier neutral, up the target price to 2160 as well. Though SBI, they've downgraded the stock to a sell, and they've cut the target price also to 742 from the earlier 841. There's Ashoka Buildcon as well. They've monetized their land in Hinjewadi in Pune for a sizable 453 crore rupees, 1.5% uptick on Ashoka Buildcon this morning. And then SBI Cards gets upgraded by Goldman Sachs, wherein it's a buy from the earlier sell, target price uptick to 913 from the earlier 652. Bunch of other names which are going to be in focus as well. Remember, we've been flagging off the Adani Group, and the Maharashtra cabinet has given its nod for an investment of 83,000 crore rupees for Tower Semiconductor with the company. So look out for that stock, what it does in trade. There's Dream Folks. They've launched their highway dining as service for travelers. Pidilite, which is now entered into an exclusive distribution agreement with Coltech Group as well. So a bunch of these stocks which are going to be in focus. And I also want to see what matrimony.com is up to. The board has okayed a buyback of up to 72 crores, which equates to about 1,025 rupees per share. Matrimony holding up 1.5% in trade. Mrs. Bector's, and reports doing the rounds that they're looking to launch a QIP. They're looking to raise about 400 odd crore rupees. The issue price is at 1550. Mrs. Bector's will just come up for you on your screens, 3.25% higher for this particular stock price. Bharat Forge, sentimental rub-off as it may be, but the August Class A truck orders have come in lower by 16%, and they're below the seasonal estimates. Bharat Forge lower by about 1% as we speak. There's Angel One, wherein the August gross client addition also has seen a mark down of about nearly 21%. The average daily orders are also down 1.5% on a month-on-month basis. So a bunch of these names which are on the radar, but very quiet once again for the Nifty.